what happened to me was a long time ago, as you will see. You know, I wasn't very cool and I wasn't very nice, and maybe you learned something, man. Take a little advice. Come squealing out of the night. Say, what's this here? Must be your switchblade knife. Empty the bottle, take a man, poke him like a book before the Monday rides. Judge Square was you on the night of July 72. Man, I was out drinking. What about you? He said, don't mess around, you know this is a serious charge. I can't have common criminals like you at large. And I said, oh no, no, Your Honor, that ain't me. Your Honor, hear my plea for leniency. Sentence to you illegally, possessed a deadly device. Never the gavel you bound could do the job just as nice. But that's refused to balance the scales of justice properly. So sit back, relax, or I'll give you the first degree.